Hello and welcome to this lesson about fruits in Afrikaans. After you have finished this lesson, you should be able to name different types of fruit in Afrikaans. We will revise colors and you can find the link to the color lesson in the description. The words you need to memorize for this lesson are as follows. Vrug, 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 fruit, vrugte, 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 fruits, lemoen, 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 orange, pruim, 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 plum, kersie, 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 cherry, pisang, 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 banana, pineapple, 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 kiwi vrug, kiwi vrug, kiwi vrug, kiwi fruit, perske, 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 peach, suurlemoen, 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 lemon, arbei, 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 strawberry, appel, 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 druiwe, 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 grapes, peer, peer, pear, appelkoos, 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 apricot, blou bessie, blou bessie, blou bessie, blueberry, blueberry, framboos, 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 raspberry, vy, 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 fig, pumelo, 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 grapefruit, tamati, tamati, tomato, watlemoen, 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 watermelon, grenadella, 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 passion fruit, veselperske, 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 mango, but it's more common to also call it mango in Afrikaans. Avocado peer, avocado peer, avocado peer, avocado. Let's have a look at our activity for today. Vra, questions. So the first one is used as an example. Watter kleur is 'n tamatie? What color is a tomato? Watter kleur is 'n lemoen? Watter kleur is 'n suurlemoen? Watter kleur is 'n avocado peer? Watter kleur is 'n pisang? And now you can combine everything that you learned in this lesson as well as in the color lesson to answer these questions. antwoorde. 'n tamatie is rooi. A tomato is red. So there's your example. 'n lemoen is oranje. 'n lemoen is oranje. So I'll translate this one for you as well, but then you'll see the pattern and then you can start translating the rest for yourself. 'n lemoen is oranje. An orange is orange. 'n suurlemoen is geel. 'n suurlemoen is geel. 'n avokado peer is groen. 'n avokado peer is groen. 'n piesang is geel. 'n piesang is geel. Dankie dat julle gekyk het en ek hoop om julle in die volgende les te sien.